Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the birthday reminder automation for your leads or for your clients inside GoHighLevel. Now let's say you are running a business and you want to send your client a message on their birthday with some offers like, hey, it's your birthday, so we are offering you 20 to 30% off on our services on your special day or anything like that. Then you can set up the automations to send them the message and offer automatically on their birthday. For that, we will go to the automations. And here we will create a workflow from scratch. And we will name this workflow, that could be birthday automation. Now, first of all, we have to add a trigger for the workflow, right? So click on the trigger. And the trigger will be birthday reminder. Here in filters, we will select day is 1 because we want to send them these birthday messages and the discount offer on first day of their birthday. So that's why we will select day 1 and then we will save this trigger. Now we will add an action to send them a message. We will select send SMS. And here we will type in the message that can be happy birthday. And here we will add the custom value of the contact full name. And then type in many happy returns of the day. On your special day, we are offering 30% discount on our aesthetic services. To make your day more special. Please reply if you are interested. Then we will save this action. Now we will also send them an email on their birthday and we will send them the same message that we sent them in the SMS. So I will click on the first action and here I will copy this birthday message. Now we will add another action that will be send email. And first of all, add the name and the email of the person from whom you want to send this email. Then in subject, we can type in happy birthday and then add the custom values of the contact full name. Next in message, we will copy the message that we type in the SMS and then we will save this action. Once we set the trigger and these two actions, we will go to these settings and here make sure to check this allow re-entry option. And next in communication, time zone needs to be contact time zone because we want to send them the birthday message according to client's time zone or according to lead's time zone, not according to our time zone. Okay, so make sure to select the contact time zone here. Now in time window, we will select specific time and here we will select the start time to be 10 a.m. because we don't want to send them a message in the middle of the night. We will send them the message in the morning at 10 a.m. Next, include all of these days and then we will save this workflow and hit publish button. So this is how you can send your lead or client a birthday wish with discount offer on this special day. I hope this video will be helpful for you. You can customize this workflow if you want, but if you find any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.